Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush the Discover Boss. This is basically what's left of the Raytown fishing village. We have some boats over this side, as you can see, but this was once a buzzing fishing village back in the day. So we have some boats over this side. Alright, let me zoom back out. So we're starting off the video right here at the Raytown fishing village. What we're doing today, we're taking a look at the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project. That's what we're taking a look at today. Alright, so it's a project costing Jamaica 950 million to complete. Work is ongoing. I think they're doing the work on a very good pace. So that's what we're gonna take a look on today, guys. So first of all, you know the drill. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. If that subscribe button is still red, subscribe and turn it gray. Ironically, coming down this side, you know, while passing the Raytown community, I heard like 2 to 3 gunshots, and it's really just a reminder of, you know, the daily happenings in these communities on this side. But hey, it is what it is. Alright guys, so this video is in partnership with Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited. They're sponsoring this video and a few other videos to come as well. So if you're interested in a loan, guys, any type of loan, auto loan, house loan, payday loan, any type of loan, guys, give them a buzz. They have an office in every parish as well. I'll put their Instagram link, their Facebook link, and also their phone number in the comments and description, guys. So go on over, show them some love, and even if you're not interested in a loan right now, still follow them. You know, just the fact that they have partnered with the channel. So Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited, that's the first and only stop for any loan that you guys are interested in. Go over and show them some love, guys. The crime problem is a monster that we need to fix, but it's highlight some of the good stuff. That's what we're about. So after subscribing, guys, if you're new, if you haven't done so, remember to like the video. Remember to leave a comment as well. Commenting is very important. It helps YouTube to spread the video to a person that have never seen the channel before. So remember to comment, guys. Remember to like the video as well. So they'll be repaving the road, reconstructing the road, starting right here. So right now they're putting in dividers and the whole works. So the road is very bad, but we know that, you know, it's some of those teething pains that we have to bear so that this area can be improved. So they'll have a jogging trail, they'll have a fishing area, they'll have a boardwalk as well. So right now they're putting in like drainage, because most of the revetment wall, most of the boulders are already in. So now it's really just reconstructing the road. It was 4 lanes before, so I'm sure they're gonna put back 4 lanes. They're also fixing the drainage as well. So those are some of the work that's happening right now. We know that the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center is right on the right. You know, a lot of persons are begging for that to be relocated, and, you know, using this beachfront land for some villas, for some apartment complexes. So drainage work, road works, that's what they're doing. Most of the concrete structure is already in. So this is like what, update number 9 for you guys. So because the area is so massive, I'm just doing a driving video instead. so you guys can see the entire length of the project. Remember to leave your comments, guys. I believe it was a needed project. I know it's a lot of money, 950 million Jamaican, but I think it's a needed project. So we see the boardwalk over to the left here. So they're putting in the concrete dividers, the curb wall to separate the road from the boardwalk. And we know they're gonna repave the entire area. The project was slowed up just a little bit because I think there was a shooting on this site, so the project got delayed by like a week. But now what they do is to at least have, you know, at least one patrol car each day on the project, just to have some police presence. So it's the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project, currently underway, and as usual, just highlighting all the progress, just highlighting all the good stuff that's happening in Jamaica so you guys can see what's happening. So as I mentioned, most of the areas, the curb wall is in for the boardwalk. The concrete revetment is already in. So most of the hardcore work, as well as persons would say, is already finished. Right here was a difficult area because the land was basically giving way. So they're trying to reclaim some of the land right here. So there's a lot of concrete structure in place. Right here as well, the ocean was taking the land, so right here it's taking a little longer to finish. So it's the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project, and again the aim is to prevent the land being eaten by the sea, prevent the soil erosion by the sea. And the project comes all the way down to the new Foreign Affairs building down this side. Alright guys, so as usual, just showing you what's happening. Alright, so just gonna take this little detour to just go back around and just show you guys a little bit more. And again guys, remember to leave your comments. And yes, we are in the heart of downtown Kingston. Alright, just gonna go back around the section that they're working on right now so I can show you guys once more. So again guys, it's the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project, currently on the way. I think it's progressing very smoothly. What do you guys think though? Let me know what you guys think about the progress of the work and the pace of the work as well. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, there you had it. The Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share as well. Let me know what you think about the project. Let me know what you think about the progress of the work. So thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you on another video.